study? Did you listen? Did you read on your weekend?
Yes, I listen. I listen more.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's great. You listen to the mall.
at the mall. Yes,
Oh, that's great. Cool. So, do you want to talk about it?
yes.
Yeah, very good. Okay. So, Manila, please review your listening or reading or something, right? Kusome, about you, right? If you want to talk about a topic, you can review that. Good. So, Manila, let's hear from you.
Yeah.
The mall.
At the mall, the point asks I want to go to the mall. Have you been to the new mall? The guy answered that yeah, I actually went there just yesterday. And then the boy asked, okay, I want to buy a computer. I want to buy a computer. Is there a computer store? Answer, two computer store on the first floor. The boy said he want to buy a new Mac. The one who want to buy a new Mac, they are very expensive.
Mm.
And then the guest
You reply?
the guy replied, yeah, there's a computer store on the first floor and
Yeah, the cafe.
near to the Max store on
Oh,
the
near
same
the
floor.
Mexico. Oh, okay.
I think okay.
Yeah, yes.
And
Mm.
the guy said that there is a huge here is a huge bookstore at the mall. And so you can read a lot of books, and there are a lot of English book, and you can read there.
Mm.
The wine said that, great, great. And how about food? How about food? Yeah, the girl replied, there's there's a big food court on the a big food court on the fourth floor.
Fourth floor.
Yeah, fourth floor. Fourth floor. You can get a variety of food, and you can get Subway. And the boy said, "Oh, that's great. I love sandwich." The case said, "I don't. There's any sandwich that I love. They don't have any sandwich that I like.
Oh, really?
They don't have any sandwich.
Mm.
Yeah. The wine asks, what A is there at the mall? The boy, there is the guest reply. There is cafe cafe. There's a cafe on the ground. The boys said, I like to go to and study and just relax. I like to watch the people. I like to watch the people. The game and then the guest said there is a movie theater there. There's a movie theater